Am I the only one that didn't know? Slashing your grocery bill could be this easy. These financial tips are brought to you by the YouTube channel called Always Be Inspired. Follow these tips to save more pounds and eat well. All right, let's get started. First tip, plan your meals, doll. Write out a weekly menu. This helps you buy only what you need and avoid impulse buys. Next up, embrace own brand products. They're often made by the same companies that produce the pricier versions, but they cost way less. Number 3, shop seasonal and local. Fruits and veggies in season are cheaper and fresher. Plus, you're supporting local farmers. Tip 4, don't shop when you're hungry. Trust me, everything looks delicious when you're starving. Fill up before you hit the aisles. Fifth tip, use loyalty cards and apps. Many UK supermarkets have schemes that can earn you discounts, points, or even free stuff. Another great tip, buy in bulk, but be smart about it. Only bulk buy items you use regularly and that won't go off quickly. Lastly, don't be afraid to freeze. Freezing extends the life of your groceries, from bread to meat to leftovers. And there you have it. Easy peasy tips to help you save more on groceries without compromising on quality. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving advice.